In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export your video in Blender. So let's jump right in this video without wasting any second now. So what you have to do here is to click on this here, on this icon. It's called the output properties. Here you have a lot of properties in Blender. It's quite fascinating how powerful Blender is, because I just like that you have a lot of options. Also in Blender, probably already know, but you can edit. You can actually edit videos. But anyways, now let's jump. Let me show you where you have to go. So here you can set the resolution. You can change the frame rate. Let's change frame rate to 60, and here we can change the output. So I like to save this in downloads. Like to save this in downloads, and now, as you can see here, file format, we see PNG, but we would like this to change this to FFmpeg video. And then here you have a new option, not here, here encoding, in encoding, here we have container, and then here you can have to change to mpeg4. And then here you can have you can leave this as it is, but if you just have lower quality, higher quality, you can go with that. And then I'll change this to okay. You don't have to change that what I've just changed, but I just now like to change also here the start to be about 20. And now what I'm going to do here is to, here in the viewport, I'm just gonna press I, and then I'll just move a couple above 50, and then here I'll just grab it, and then this cube, and just rotate it, and then scale it. And then here that says, okay, I'm really sorry, let's grab it, I scale it and rotate it, and now I'll just add a keyframe. Now we have very simple video here, and then I'll just press here to render animation. That's going to take probably a couple of seconds. Now let's open this file. So let me go here and open this. So this is now the video. Okay, that was, I know, very short, but that was my intention. I have to do if okay, this is the video. Now I know that's, you know, it's kind of the quality, it's not that good. I could have changed the quality actually. Okay, now let's render again. Actually, sorry, so why not actually changing this to from 20 to 50, and then okay, so now yeah, you can increase the quality if you want. As you can see, you can also, this looks much better. You can increase from here if you want cycles in story EV, samples, and noise threshold, denoise if you want. But yeah, there's so many other things. If you have good quality, so you can select here good quality. But yeah, I hope you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.